Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the PDF in a reliable reader. This ensures accurate layout and fonts. Once done, inspect page count, paper size, and orientation so you don't waste paper. Make sure the printer is online and selected. A glossy or plain paper choice matters for output. Also verify ink or toner levels and paper tray selection to avoid mid-job failures. These first checks save time and prevent unexpected scaling or missing pages during the print. Now configure print options. Pick the correct printer and paper size. Mismatch here causes cropping. Next, decide pages to print, all, arrange, or specific pages, and set scaling. Actual size keeps dimensions, fit shrinks to margins. Choose color versus grayscale depending on cost and necessity, and enable duplex if you need double-sided output. Adjust quality or resolution for text versus images to balance speed and clarity. These settings control how the physical copy will look. Finally, click Print and watch the printer queue. This shows errors and estimated time. If pages print incorrectly, pause and cancel further jobs. Check scaling, orientation, and paper size, then reprint one test page. For persistent errors, update or reinstall the printer driver and make sure firmware is current. Drivers often fix communication glitches. If you encounter paper jams or low ink, clear the jam and replace cartridges before continuing. Otherwise, you risk repeated failures or wasted paper and time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.